Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Dota 2 lagging, stuttering, and freezing issues. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest you to do here is to go on search, and then you just need to write edit power plan, right? And then go to power options, and then make sure you're set to not balance but high performance. And if you don't see high performance, select ultimate performance. First I will select ultimate performance, but if there is no ultimate, then select high performance, right? And then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then go to settings and make sure that your operating system is fully updated. Check for updates. If there is an update, please download and install it, and then look if the problem persists after you restart your computer. Same thing with your GPU drivers. Just open up whatever. If using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon. If using NVIDIA, there is GeForce Experience. Go to drivers, go to check for updates. If there is an update, just download and install it. Next up, what you can do here, you can open up Steam. Then you can just right click on the Dota, go to properties, and go to general, go to install files and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted files and they need to be fixed. It will take you a couple of minutes to do that. And once you're on this window, then what I suggest you to do here is to go to browse, then copy the path of Dota 2, then go to graphics settings on your computer, then go to change default settings, make sure this option is enabled, and if it's enabled, then just disable and look if the still getting the problem. Then here you need to look for Dota 2, right? On this window, if for some reason you don't see Dota 2, what I suggest you to do here is to, as you can see here, press browse, copy the path, and then go to game, bin, Win64, and add the exe file. And once Dota 2 is added to graphics settings here, you just need to find it, go to options, and make sure to select high performance, right? And select this option. Don't use optimizations for windowed games if you're not playing on windowed games, right? Next thing that you can do here, you just need to go on settings, gaming, game mode, and make sure game mode is on. And then you can go back to Steam, go to Steam icon on the top left, go to settings, and once you're on the settings, then you need to go to downloads and then clear download cache. And once you hit that, you just need to relog into your account again. You need to put your name and a password, and after that you can look if the problem persists or not. Then you can go back on Dota 2, right click on it, go to properties, go to general, and on launch options, just write -map, and this will help Dota to preload map, and it can fix your stuttering, lagging, and freezing basically problems, right? And the next thing what I suggest to do here is to go on run. Just write run on search, then write %temp%, hit OK, and then delete all the files from the temp folder. It's just a temporary files, cache files. Don't worry about it. They will use your computer storage, and it can slow down your experience on Dota 2, right? So just skip all the files. Maybe these files is using something on my computer. It won't let me to delete, but nevertheless, you can save a lot of storage by doing that. And the next step, what you can do here is to open up Steam, and then on Steam, go to Dota 2. And on Dota 2, you just need to go to settings, then you need to go to video, and then you can use monitor's current resolution, but I'm using advanced. It's basically the same, but but always use a full screen, right? And then you just need to, on advanced settings, I like to use only these two because these two only matters. Then texture quality I like to use on low, effects quality on low, and shadow quality it's on off or medium. It really doesn't matter that much. And then game screen render quality, make sure to use on 100%. And then maximum frames per second allowed. It's totally up to you what your monitor hertz is. For me it's 240, so I'm using 240. And this hopefully fixed your lagging, stuttering, and freezing issues. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press the like button, subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.